So guys, it is sunny afternoon here in Bangkok, and unfortunately we need to say goodbye to So Bangkok Hotel. But now we are going to another sponsored hotel. Ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo na instead na 3 days 2 nights sa So Bangkok, I decided to get another hotel for an overnight stay. And we are going now to Pullman Bangkok Hotel G. So, China ba kayo? And I'm so excited to have a hotel and room tour and honest review regarding sa experience natin and so on. Actually, sobrang lapit lang pala nito from So Bangkok. I think nasa 5 to 10 minutes away. So, here we are, guys. There you go. Hello guys, so now, sorry naman, nabuhusan ng tubig. Alright, so we are here sa Pullman Bangkok Hotel G. And of course, we are gonna have a hotel tour and room tour. So unahin muna natin guys yung hotel tour. Unahin muna natin guys yung room tour. So, we are located on the 35th floor. And our room number is 3508. Okay guys, so pagpasok ng room, on my right hand, so nandito ang kanilang cabinet. So this is a sliding and they have a full mirror. They have the bathrobe, they have extra pillow, tapos slippers, and on the other side, so they have the safety deposit box and your laundry bag, blower, and to clean your shoes if you have like a leather shoes. Now on this side naman, they have a space here for your luggage, for your bags. Now sa left side ko naman guys, andito ang kanilang bathroom. So let's have a look. So, dito sa right guys, nandito ang kanilang toilet. And, on this side naman ang kanilang shower. Ayan. And maganda guys, enclosed shower siya. So, magkahiwalay ang toilet and ang shower area. So, dito naman guys, kanilang sink. Meron pa rin, of course, mga complimentary toothbrush, shower cup, and then they have liquid soap and body lotion. And then, they have a bathtub. Tapos, meron dito guys, I'll show you I think this is some kind of a bubble soap. So I'm not sure. And then may blinds. So if you want to have a privacy habang nag-shower or naliligo sa bathtub. Meron naman ditong mini bar and they have a lot of snacks and beers and then kettle and coffee maker. Tapos sa ilalim naman, ayan, merong mini fridge. And by the way guys, yan is not free if you consume any of the drinks, beers, and even the snacks here or the noodles, the snacks. Ayan, may bayad. So here we are sa main area, which is the king size bed. Tapos of course meron silang TV, merong work desk, tapos may mga doon, plug. Tapos may center table, merong couch, and then side lamps. And look at the view. King Power Mahanakhon building. So yun lang yung meron sa room natin. And syempre I don't want to compare this hotel, yung Pullman Bangkok Hotel G, sa So Bangkok kasi they provide different experience naman. And they provide different view and they also have different facilities and amenities. So ayan. Pero for sure, most of our subscribers will say na mas maganda sa So Bangkok, which is mas maganda naman talaga. So anyway, so yun lang for the room tour guys, and wait for the hotel tour guys.
hours later.
Hello guys, ayan, kakauwi lang natin. Time check, it's 8:30 p.m. Bangkok time. So nagalagala tayo sa Along Silom, which is malapit lang dito sa hotel. And check nyo guys, may pa-petals pa guys, oh. Di ba? Tapos mamaya mag-bathtub tayo. Hindi ako nakabili ng, oo nga, I forgot. Hindi ako nakabili ng bubble bath, soap, yung gano'n. I'm not sure guys kung ito is mabango, pero hindi ko alam kung bubble bath soap yan. Anyway, kain na tayo guys, dinner. And then later on, we will go upstairs sa kanilang rooftop bar. And by the way guys, yung kanilang welcome drinks, na-amaze ako kasi ang welcome drinks normally is mga like fruit juice, coffee, or hot tea, mga ganyan. Pero guys, kanina tinanong ko, pwedeng wine, pwedeng any beverages na available guys sa rooftop bar nila. Nakakatuwa. And good for ito yung binigay sa akin. O, diba? Hindi pa tayo nakapag-check out pero yung experience guys, this is also a 5-star hotel and hindi ako makapili kung, kung ano yung magandang i-recommend ko dun sa nag-sponsor sa atin guys. Thank you so much again.
A few moments later.
Alright guys, so we are now on the 37th floor sa kanilang Scarlet Wine Bar and Restaurant, which is a rooftop bar guys. Look at this guys, the wine cellar. Alright guys, so we are now here on the 37th floor of Pullman Bangkok Hotel G, which is a rooftop bar. And by the way, if you are planning to go here guys, this is a covered rooftop bar. You have the option to drink inside. Ang advantage is naka-aircon or sa balcony or terrace nila guys. Yun nga lang, medyo mainit and maraming tao. So we don't have any available seat. So maybe later on, we're going outside to check. Did you know guys that this drink is just a welcome drink guys? So nakakatuwa. Normally kasi ang mga welcome drinks is like iced tea, coffee, or soda. And hindi sila madamot sa mga welcome drinks nila like this. So let's have a taste. Oh. Oh no. Guys, ang sarap. And ang welcome drinks ko guys, not just one, but good for two. I can see in Shangri-La. Tapos, this one is the Chao Phraya River. So, yun nga lang guys, medyo mainit dito sa kanilang terrace. We're gonna have our second shot. Then, after this, babalik na tayo sa room natin.
A few moments later.
Alright, so we are done guys sa ating rooftop bar experience. And actually, unfortunately, hindi natin nakuha yung second drink natin. Dalawa dapat siya. Good for 2 person yung welcome drinks. Siguro sobrang busy. Hindi napansin. Or I don't know. Pero masarap sana yung kanilang welcome drink. But yeah, mga 20 minutes din ako naghintay. So, hindi natin deliver yung second shot. But that's fine. Libre lang naman guys. Kasi masarap sana guys. We are back to our room 3508. Okay, so we are back dito sa ating room guys. So tomorrow, we still have breakfast buffet. So, syempre, itutour ko kayo. So, siguro, let's have a comparison kung ano yung si-serve sa breakfast buffet dito sa Pullman Bangkok Hotel G. Kasi, kung napanood niyo yung ating So Bangkok Hotel video, nag-breakfast buffet tayo doon pero hindi ganun ka... Or siguro, nag-set lang ako ng high expectation. Just expect the unexpected. So, yun lang guys. And magbabathtub lang tayo para pampasarap ng tulog. Magbababad tayo sa bathtub and then matutulog na because we need to wake up early. Siguro mga 7 a.m. or 8 a.m. for the breakfast buffet, and then I still have more time to do the hotel tour to check their facilities and amenities at least bago tayo mag-check out. Alright, so good night guys.
The next day.
Good morning guys, it's rainy morning here in Bangkok, Thailand. I am going to show you the breakfast buffet. So we are going to their restaurant and see what they have on the buffet. Sorry guys for my voice. Medyo napalakas ata yung hilik natin. So, ayan naman makas ako. Yeah, there. So I'm right second floor.
สวัสดีค่ะ
สวัสดีครับ Morning.
358 Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Morning. Morning.
눈 뜨면 눈부신 아침 햇살과 모닝콜로 너와 시작하는 하루 마치 내 인생의 포커스가 지금에 맞춰진 걸까 따뜻한 모닝커피의 향기가 오늘 하루도 날 기대하게 만드는 걸 우리 오늘은 또 어떻게 지낼까 너를 가만 보고 있어도 좋아 아무 말도 하지 않아도 난 좋아 너의 눈만 바라봐도 내 모든 걸 다 알 것 같아 우린 너무 완벽하게 모든 게 다 잘 맞아서 가끔 난 걱정이 돼 네가 날 떠나가 버릴까봐 쓸데없는 다른 걱정 따윈 생각하지 말기로 해 오늘은 우리 기다렸던 데이트 날이야 내 손을 잡아줘
Alright guys, you have the option to choose your egg. If you want omelette or egg benedict, Thai omelette or poached egg. So I'll go for omelette guys. And more cheese. Alright, so let's get our first round of their buffet. First round, we have the bacon, noodles, hash brown, ham, shawmai, then vegetables, beans. I got the egg omelette with more cheese. So guys, it seems like mas malasa yung sa So Bangkok na miso soup. Dito parang ang bland. Wala akong panlasa. I'll try something else. Let's try the teriyaki chicken. Meron naman akong panlasa.
So guys, yung sa noodles. Oh my god guys. It is more cheese. Remember guys, bacon, my all-time favorite, especially sa mga buffet. Breakfast buffet. This is to confirm na meron akong panlasa. So kung kahapon guys sa Bangkok, ang tinira natin is more of the pork satay, tapos miso soup. Tapos dito naman, bacon and hash brown. Now hash brown. Crunchy. So, kung natikman nyo na yung hash brown ng McDonald's sa breakfast nila, almost same. So, hindi ako masyadong kakain ng dim sum o yung siomai kasi marami yan sa bahay. At saka yan yung mga tinira natin sa PADS Airport Lounge. Ito yung ham. I'll go for the second round. So guys, if you're in a breakfast buffet, tapos na-overwhelmed kayo sa mga nakikita nyo, I would suggest na kumuha kayo ng mga pizza just to taste them all if you want to taste them all. And then, for your second round, yun, kunin nyo na yung mga nagustuhan yung lasa or nagustuhan yung food. So that's how you do it. Sige, sanay na sanay tayo mag-breakfast buffet, guys. Malagi yan sa Novotel. And alam ko na agad yung parang favorite food ko. Okay guys, so for our second round, meron palang pork, may sausage, tapos hash brown and bacon, tapos I forgot the name of this bread. Dinip ko lang siya sa white chocolate. And then, mango juice. Try natin yung sausage kasi hindi na nakakuha ng sausage ko. Guys, kahit ganito lang, char. Guys, malasa. Masarap, masarap. And here's the bread that I'm talking about. It's a dough. Tapos you can dip sa white chocolate. Masarap. Masarap siya guys. So guys, for the third round, dessert na tayo. Dragon fruit, pineapple, cantaloupe. Tapos yung bread again with white milk. Tapos may yogurt, English yogurt, and dried fruits over there. And then another mango juice. Well, actually may hilig ako sa kape guys, pero hindi na ako nag-request. Let's try coffee outside na lang. And then kasi baka mas ubuhin ako. Dahil makati yung lalamunan ko. And by the way, after this guys, we are going to have a hotel tour. I'll show you around. As let's check their facilities and other parts of the hotel na hindi ko pa na-explore. So let's finish this. Time check, it's 8:09 in the morning. So let's enjoy the food. This one guys, masarap in fairness. Para mas bet ko siya sa white chocolate kaysa kahapon na try tayo ng dark chocolate. Tama ko guys, it's made of dough. Tapos oh my god. Nakagat yung gilagid ko guys. Nakagat out. Arte kasi diba? So anyway, it's made of dough. Now you can dip so white chocolate, caramel, or dark chocolate. This one is good. Yun dapat mag-review. Hindi yung katulad sa mga vlogger natin sa Pilipinas na parang kakasubo pa lang. Andito pa lang guys, oh. napapauna sa serang to. Marami kasi sa mga food vlogger sa atin, either bayan, pwede kasing libre din yung food. Tapos meron kasi sa atin na pag alam nilang mga vlogger, syempre dadamihan nila yung serving. Pero pag tinry ng mga nakapanood, then nga. Lalo na yung may nakita ko guys sa TikTok. I think somewhere in Manila na mga food na talagang pinipilahan guys. Tapos nung tinry, nung isa sa mga nakapanood, siguro dahil sa hype at saka trending, ay guys, wheat daw ang lasa, as in wheat it. So ayun guys, yun lang kasi yung problema sa atin, pera-pera lang talaga. Now, katulad ko, di ba? Sponsored yung hotel natin, pero since they want an honest feedback and review about the hotel, why not, di ba? Let's give them what they need and what they're expecting from us. Nakaka-ibir na lang yung mga food vlogger talaga guys, na andito pa lang yung food, hindi mo pa nangunguya masyado, may lasa na, I mean nalasahan mo ng masarap, di ba? And most of the time, ano yan eh, siguro mga ilang bite pa, pwede nga, may mga after, ano talaga eh, yung aftertaste na pag nilunok mo na, doon lumalabas yung lasa. Pero nakakaloka lang iba talaga guys. Parang sa kanila, it's all about the money, money, money. Alright. Medyo madami na tayo nasasabi, bumalik si baby. Guys, bumabalik si baby. Parang daddy-daddy na siya, pero parang love ko na siya.
1 hour later.
So good morning guys, we are still here in Bangkok. It's Sunday morning. We are done with our breakfast buffet. Now, we will start the hotel tour. And as you can see, we are here sa Pullman Hotel and Resort. The name of the hotel is Pullman Bangkok Hotel G. G na ba kayo? Alright, so G na ako. So, let's start the hotel tour. Hotel tour. So, let's start the hotel tour. Let's G! Okay guys, so this is the main entrance of the hotel. So, as you can see, there's a logo na Hotel G. And this is the parking guys. If you have any car from the airport, if you are planning to stay here sa Hotel G, you may access it through Grab or transfer van. And the location itself guys, this is a 10-minute walk going to BTS Cheongnon-si Station and 17-minute walk going to BTS Saladaeng. And dito guys sa ground floor, they have a 24-hour shop which is the 25 degrees. They offer wine, liquor, and burgers. So sabi guys, the best yung burger dyan. So if you are here and if you're gonna stay here sa Hotel G, I think this is a must to taste their burger. Alright, so we are done here. Now, let's head inside kasi si baby naghihintay. Char! Okay guys, so this is their front desk and the standard check-in and check-out time guys here sa Pullman Bangkok Hotel G is 2 p.m. for the check-in and 12 noon for the check-out. Let's say if you come here early before your check-in time, you can stay here sa kanilang lobby and you can leave your luggages over there. Once you are done with the check-in, then one of their bellboy will assist you to get your bags or luggages up to your room. Alright guys, so let's head to their second floor, or I think mezzanine pala guys. So this way. Baby guys. Ayun si baby. Tapos they have baby baboy. And they have place here guys where you can relax or stay while waiting for your check-in time. Alright, so let's head to their second floor. Ay, sorry guys, this is a mezzanine. Kasi yung second floor pala nila yung restaurant. Welcome to the mezzanine guys, the playground. They call it playground. Diba? Ito na lang muna tayo. Lobby, yung ground floor, yung front desk nila. 25 degrees burger bar. Yan, sa ground floor. Second floor yung Tivo restaurant. The Retreat, third floor. I'm not sure kung ano yan. G-Spa, ayan, fourth floor. Pool and fitness, fifth floor. The library, I'm not sure kung ano rin yan. 24th floor. Executive lounge, yung mga kumuha ng mga club lounge dito or executive suite or room. May automatic access kayo sa executive lounge. The gallery, I think it's more above arts and crafts. Now Scarlet Wine Bar and Restaurant, yung kanilang rooftop bar sa 37th floor and ballroom 38th floor. Not sure. Did you know na this is the only hotel that I've stayed na merong Starbucks, guys? As in, I'm gonna show you, of course, yung sinasabi ko. Pero Starbucks will open at 10 a.m. Look. Oh, shoot, takasan ka pa. Oh. O yan, guys. At dito, guys, yung mga Starbucks is like common cafe na sa kanila. Hindi yung mga nag-hype or nag-trend masyado. Eh, iisa lang naman yung lasa niyan. Mas actually, guys, hindi ako mas Starbucks. Mas okay na ako dun sa mga putsi-putsyung coffee shop. Basta, hindi masyado matamis. Ang tamis-tamis kasi ng mga drinks nila. Alright, so we are done here. So, we're gonna use the elevator. Pawisan ako doon. Cap. And the good thing about this hotel, guys, they have a total of 6 elevators that can accommodate almost most of the guests. Kahit sabay-sabay. Sana nag-gym si baby. Pero, okay, let's check here. Their gym, guys. Medyo maliit lang. Yan yung mga weights. Hindi tayo papasok kasi maliit lang siya, guys. Kasi ito lang. Tapos mga treadmills doon sa part na yon. Ayan. Hindi tayo papasok, guys, kasi parang hindi natin may istorbo yung nag-gym. So now, let's go to their pool. So, ayan, guys, ang swimming pool and bar open 24/7. Sorry, guys, ang fitness nila ay open 24/7. Oh, in fairness, ang swimming pool and bar open daily from 7 to 10 p.m. And no outside food and beverages. So now let's check their pool. This is their pool bar, guys. So if you're gonna swim, meron silang mga towels here. Tapos you can drop the towels, the used towel, over there. It is still raining, guys. And good thing about this pool, it is covered.
A few moments later.
So, by the way, guys, ang wifi nila is mabilis. Pero yun nga lang, hindi siya secure. Though ang mga public wifi naman, guys, hindi naman talaga secure. Wala kasi siyang password. So, anyone on this floor can access their free wifi kapag nasa hotels kayo. And even sa public areas with free wifi. I would suggest not to visit any confidential website like your bank account, bookings, or any confidential kasi nga hindi siya secure. So anyone can hack into their system and get your information. Yun nga lang, hindi sa pagiging OA, pero ayun guys, I don't usually access may bank account, kasi minsan gano'n, di ba? Bank account or any information na nasa phone nyo kapag nasa hotel or nasa public places kayo. And that's really it. That's the hotel tour, the room tour, and now it's time for our honest review and feedback. Let's make it quick, then let's make a comparison guys ng Pullman Bangkok Hotel G and ng Seoul Bangkok. For the location guys, medyo malayo siya sa BTS station. Though sobrang lapit lang siya guys sa Mahanakon. So if ever babalak kayong to experience the skywalk, the glass skywalk ng King Power Mahanakon, you may do so. And don't forget to use my promo code. Just type Mark Paragas without any spaces. You will get an instant 5% discount. I think guys, Pullman medyo matagal na to, pero interiors, exteriors, then the lobby and all the floors na kung saan yung mga facilities nila, in fairness, stand out siya kasi malinis guys. Even the room, malinis guys, wala akong masabi. And kahit sa restaurant nila guys, perfect. So guys, value for money, it's the same sa Seoul Bangkok. It is really worth it guys. It's pricey kasi nga this Pullman Bangkok Hotel G is a 5-star hotel as well. Same with Seoul Bangkok. And worth it yung babayaran nyo guys if you are planning to stay here. For the experience, plus the breakfast buffet, the facilities, I think it is worth it. So they have gym, they have outdoor pool. Siguro masyado lang akong hindi makaget over sa Seoul Bangkok with the amazing Lumpini Park view and with the infinity pool. Maliit yung kanilang gym, tapos yung pool nila, maliit lang din. With covered pool naman siya guys, pero yun nga lang, hindi infinity pool. Then for the rooftop bar nila guys is covered, and then I think one side or 1/4 of the floor is facing the back of the hotel, which has a nice view. But yun nga lang, medyo mainit. Marami kasing gusto magstay dun sa labas, pero mainit. Medyo nakukulangan lang ako. I'm not sure kung ano yung kulang. And then for the staff or for the service, mababait guys, from the ground floor, mababait yung mga nasa lobby. Yun nga lang, yung siguro sabihin natin 4-star muna because of the service that I encountered last night sa rooftop bar nila. So, good for 2-person yung binigay sa akin. And normally good for 2-person naman talaga siya per stay. And ang nangyari lang, in-order ko yung isa, tapos una sa loob ako nag-stay. Tapos nag-order na ako, tinuro ko yung gusto ko. Nag-suggest naman sila kung ano yung bestseller nila for the drink section or beverage or liquor section. And then, nung hindi ko pa siya nauubos and may nakita akong space or available or vacant seat outside dun sa kanilang terrace, lumipat ako. Tapos nag-request naman, sinabihan ko naman sila na I would like to take the second shot or second glass of my welcome drink. And then doon ako nagstay sa labas. Sinamahan naman ako ng staff, pero yun nga lang, I've waited for like 10 to 15 minutes, hindi na siya dumating. So, ayun, syempre, I'm thinking na kasi na parang nakakahiyang i-follow up or mag-inarte ka kasi nga, it's just a welcome drink, it's for free, by the way. Pero yun lang, aside from that, parang naisip ko rin na parang it's my privilege or one of the benefits na pwede kong makuha when you are staying in an Accor Plus hotel or Accor hotel. Na-enjoy ko sana, masarap yung drinks guys, yung shot or yung shot glass, not shot glass, yung drinks natin kagabi, nabilin lang ako kasi nga I'm expecting another glass of that drink. Sa ating friend from Finland na nag-sponsor na ating hotel, mas okay sa Seoul Bangkok. With a view, with the 5-star service, with a 5-star experience, I would highly recommend Seoul Bangkok. And with the location and overall guys, you will not get disappointed kapag nag-stay kayo sa Seoul Bangkok. And actually guys, dito rin naman sa Pullman Bangkok Hotel G, I'm sure you will not get disappointed. Pero yon, if we will going to compare Pullman Bangkok Hotel G and Seoul Bangkok, I would rather choose Seoul Bangkok. Alright. So, yun lang. Thank you again guys sa pagsama sa akin for our hotel tour, room tour, and honest and listening and watching to my honest feedback and review here in Bangkok. Okay, so that's it for this video, guys. I hope nag-enjoy kayo. I hope na gustuhan nyo yung experience na pinakita ko sa inyo. Well, hindi natin masasabi. You could still stay here, guys, sa Pullman Bangkok Hotel G. Malay nyo naman iba yung magiging experience ninyo. So, ayan. So, that's it for today. For today's video, guys. I hope nagustuhan nyo yung video natin. And if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell para updated kayo sa mga upcoming travel vlogs natin. So, yun lang muna, guys. And see you on my next travel vlog. Keep safe and enjoy life. Mwah!